Hi dear children, this is BS Academy. In this video we are going to discuss the sixth case of the image formation of the concave mirror. Right, see this is the last case of the image formation of the concave mirror. Come let us see what is going to happen for the position of the image. Right, see in the previous case, that is in the fifth case, we have placed the object at the focus, principal focus itself, and we found the position of the image, that is the image is formed at infinite. Now here still we are going to move the object, we are going to change the position of the object to this particular point. It means where object is placed between principal focus and the pole. So what happens when the object is placed between principal focus and the pole? What happens to the position of the image? We are going to find it. Okay, right, see now one of the ray which is parallel to the principal axis, that is this incident ray, this is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, or otherwise we can use the fourth rule. It means, see, the incident ray is falling on the pole. The incident ray is falling on the pole. You can use any two rules. So when the incident ray falls on the pole, according to the fourth rule, see, the reflected ray is reflected obliquely from the pole like this. Okay, so this is the one of the reflected ray. Okay, then the another incident ray is passing through the center of curvature. So if this is the incident ray, it gets reflected from the mirror, is it not? So we know what happens when the incident ray is passing through the center of curvature. The reflected ray should also passes through the center of curvature itself. So the ray will be reflected like this. So it gets reflected like this. Okay, so this is the another reflected ray. Okay, so it seems to be same as the fifth case, but there is a quite small difference. Also listen carefully, students. See, when the object is placed between principal focus and the pole, what is happening? One of the incident ray is incident at the pole and it reflected from the pole obliquely like this. So this is one of the reflected ray. Then another incident ray is passing through the center of curvature, therefore it reflected back through the center of curvature itself. So this is the another reflected ray. So these are the two reflected rays. See, these reflected rays are not parallel. It means it gets diverged. Here itself it gets diverged. So it means what we should understand that these rays are not going to meet anywhere in this side, right? But we can able to find the point where these two reflected rays are meeting. See, this is the one of the reflected ray. No, we can extend this reflected ray in the back side of the mirror. You can extend, you can draw it in the dotted lines because it is going to be virtual. Okay, so you can extend this reflected ray by using the dotted lines at the back side of the mirror. Same way, this is another reflected ray. No, you can extend this reflected ray also at the back side of the mirror like this. So these two extensions of the reflected rays meets at a particular point. So this is the point where the image is formed. See where the image is forming, it is at the back side of the mirror. Okay, and also the image is formed just above the principal axis. So therefore you can represent it by the upward arrow mark itself. Okay, so listen. So if this is the two reflected rays, extension of the two reflected rays, they are meeting at a point, no? So that is the point where the image is formed, and you can notice that the image is formed just above the principal axis. This is the principal axis. So image is formed above the principal axis and we can represent it by the upward arrow mark. Okay, so this is the position of the image. Okay children, so it means what? See, the image is formed just at the back side of the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror. So when the image is formed behind the mirror, that image cannot be obtained on the screen. So we can say that this image is not the real image, it is a virtual image, because we already know the image that cannot be obtained on the screen is called as virtual image. Okay, so this image is forming just backside of the mirror, therefore it cannot be obtained on the screen. So this image is called as the virtual image. Okay, is it clear? Right, now let us write the position of the object. What is the position of the object? The object is placed between F and P. So between F and P. What is the position of the image? The image is formed behind the mirror. Image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, children, right. What will be the nature of the image? See, I told you, no, this is formed just above the principal axis. Therefore, it is represented by the upward arrow mark itself. It means what? It is not inverted. It is not inverted. So it is erect image. If it is not inverted, it is called as what? Erect image. And also if you place the screen over here, the image will not be obtained on the screen. So it means it is the virtual image. Therefore the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. The image will be virtual and erect. Then what will be the size of the image? See, when compared to the size of the object, the size of the image is somewhat larger. So the size of the image is enlarged. It is enlarged image. Is it clear, children? So this is about the sixth case of the concave mirror. So be clear about the sixth case of the concave mirror, students, because this is the only case where the concave mirror is producing the virtual image. Okay, note down this point. This is the only case at which the concave mirror is forming the virtual and erect image. Okay, children. So in case of concave mirror, whenever the object is placed between F and P, then the image will be formed behind the mirror, and also the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. So you may get the question. You may get the question from this portion, that is, name the mirror which will forms the virtual and erect image and also enlarged image. Name the mirror which forms virtual, erect and enlarged image. What will be the answer? Concave mirror. So concave mirror is the mirror which forms virtual, erect and also the enlarged image. Is it clear, children? If you have any doubt, you can text in the comment section. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.